Let's make a windrow that's perfect for you by covering how to set tine height, rotor curve, and the windrow width on your Vermeer RR270c rotary rake. Before starting, be sure to refer to your operator's manual for detailed instructions and safety messages. Let's start with setting tine height. To begin, locate the crank handle on each rotor module. Rotate the handle to raise or lower the tines. To raise the tines, rotate the crank clockwise. To lower the tines, rotate the crank counterclockwise. For optimal crop gathering performance and minimal windrow contamination, tine to ground clearance should be set between 1 and 1.5 inches on the front and outer sides of the rotors. You can observe tine height by looking at the scale located at the base of the crank for easier reference and accurate measurement. With tine height set, let's adjust rotor curve to make sure you're not leaving crop in the field. Start on the left-hand side with the adjustment handle. If you are raking dry crop or wanting the tines to rise sooner, move the lever to the right. If you are raking wetter crop or wanting the tines to rise later, move the lever to the left. For right rotor curve adjustment, repeat the steps above, moving the handle to the left for the tines to rise sooner and to the right for tines to rise later. Lastly, with rotors set to the optimal tine height and rotor curve, adjust windrow width. Lower the rake arms to the operating position. Move the rake arms in or out with the hydraulic lever to widen or narrow the windrow. Windrow width can be set between 45 to 84 inches for an overall raking width between 23.7 to 27.2 feet. Remember to match your raking and windrow width to your mower and to the width of your baler pickup for better performance. With everything set, rake a short distance at your normal operating speed and measure the windrow. Keep in mind that windrow width can be influenced by tine to ground clearance, crop volume, and PTO speed. If an excessive amount of dust is being kicked up by the tines, it is likely that the tines are digging into the ground and the tine to ground clearance should be increased. If a streak of unraked crop material is left behind the outside of your rotors, it is possible that tine to ground clearance is too high and should be lowered. If a streak of crop is left behind the inner sides of your rotors, it is likely that PTO speed is too high and should be decreased. With your rake set to form the windrow you need, you're ready to hit the ground running. If you have further questions on how to adjust or set the RR270c or other Vermeer hay tools, contact your local Vermeer dealer or visit Vermeer.com.
Thanks for watching. We hope this helps equip you to do more. Subscribe to our channel for more. And if you're interested in contacting a local dealer, visit Vermeer.com/dealer. Thanks again.